Yo. All right. So before we look at this slide for Thursday, the 7th, and I tell you what your tasks are for today, reminder if you haven't done your attendance, go back and check in. And we have office hours today if you need some support. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm available 2 to 4 on Google Meet. And some good news, Zoom might be coming back. I'm kind of happy because I like Zoom better. But because of security reasons, we couldn't use it anymore. But it's making a comeback, all right? It's coming back, retro. So Thursday today, we have two thingies. Our unit is inequality, okay? What does that even mean? Think about it, all right? So our aim is how do the actions of individuals impact groups of people or individuals themselves, okay? There are groups of people or certain individuals that impose their ideas and beliefs on the masses, and it has an impact. And if you were going to take the regions, because you're not, because all you gotta do is just pass this class and do some of the work, then you're gonna get your regions credit. How do actions impact people? And everything we've seen in history so far is negativo, right? So, two things are today's agenda: see, think, wonder. I have allergies, by the way. Okay, that's why my eyes are itchy. 5 W's on inequality. We're going to be focusing on a specific area, and we'll get to that in a bit. So, two questions to think about. What does inequality mean to you? You don't have to do anything. Don't respond to these. Just think about it. What does it mean? Where have we seen it in history? And where do we see inequality today? Just think about those as you're going through the lesson. So, where are we going to go in the world? South Africa. We're going to the tip of South Africa. Of Africa, actually, which is South Africa, okay? It's 2:30 in the morning. So, that's the flag of South Africa. This is where what we're going to learn is taking place, okay? It may have some correlations with something else in history that you see. Task 1. What was apartheid? So you're going to look at this picture, okay? And you're going to, okay, good, I fixed. Do a see, think, wonder. What do you see? So you're going to go to your Word document here, complete. What do you see? What do you think apartheid might be? And what do you wonder about these pictures? Okay? What do you see? What do you think? What do you wonder? I like looking at those pictures. You do that on your Word document. That's task 1. And then you're going to go to task 2. What is apartheid? Apartheid is an Afrikaans word meaning separateness or the state of being apart. Remember, apart. Literally, if you break down apartheid, the word apart is there. So you know what it means. And it was a system of racial segregation. Sounds familiar yet? In South Africa, enforced through legislation, laws by the MP, National Party, the governing party of South Africa from 1948 to 1994, which was dominated by a white minority. Okay? Meaning the small ruling class was white South Africans with a European ancestral connection. Okay? So directions, you're going to watch the video right here. You're going to present mode, you're going to click it. You're going to watch the video and take notes on your document here for task 2. Do the 5 W's on this video on apartheid. And once you're done with that document, you're going to submit, and that will be your first day of inequality looking at South Africa. We're going to go to day 2 South Africa because we need to go much more in depth. But I just want you to have a basic understanding of what inequality means to you. And looking at a first example right after the Holocaust. So in 1948, World War II ended in 1945, the United Nations was like, no more inequality, basically. No more genocide. No more lack of freedom. Everybody has the right to choose their own future now. But what's happening in this time period? We have apartheid right after World War II. And then we have the state of Israel and the tension with the Palestinians in Israel. Okay? So very contradicting, which is why I love this point in history, because one group of people say something and they act upon it, but then there are other people in the world that smack that right out of the way. All right? So that's our lesson for today. When you're done, submit. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and I'll see you all on Friday as I write your feedback, and Tuesday will be the new lesson.